On the east edge of downtown Los Angeles, I visited Little Tokyo, a cultural district that began with the earliest Japanese immigrants to the city. But I'm getting ahead of myself. I came to LA and found a vintage boarding house in the current day arts district, so I could see the art and experience the culture of this vibrant part of the city. My room was quaint, with a bed, a table, and a sink to take care of my basic needs. I tried to look at self-care as a type of mindfulness practice, putting attention to the task I'm engaged in, finding the rhythm of the activity, connecting to the elements like the texture of the towel as I dry my face. I try to do the same when I'm out exploring, to notice the feel of the air, the buzz of conversation or shared activity. And here in this moment, Little Tokyo beckoned. With its brick-paved alleyways, colorful shops, and paper lanterns. At first I had to eat to regain my strength for the long trip. Setting up on the table in my room, I surveyed the spread of my meager rations. I'm staying here in downtown LA on the edge of Little Tokyo. I found some cool places to eat. I also found a 7-Eleven, and well, that's the best deals they got going in this neighborhood right now. So I'm having some leftover fried rice from last night at the ramen shop and a delicious cafecito. And just getting the day started on my adventures in California. And just getting the day started on my adventures here in SoCal. Fried pie till the day I die. Fried pie. As I passed through the Japanese Village Plaza, the day grew long, and the cafes and walkways began to fill with people out for a bite or to do a little shopping. An old woman played an electric amped version of the kokyu, the traditional Japanese bowed instrument, the rhythms of the city merging with the repetition of her mantra-like performance. My room, located at the corner of Hewitt and First Street, gave me proximity to the neighborhood, and I started my art tour with a visit to the MOCA Annex, known as Geffen Contemporary, with its historic and compelling mural, Questions, by Barbara Kruger. First designed in 1990, originally a backdrop to the Rodney King riots. Around the corner, at the entrance to the museum, sits a Nancy Rubins sculpture comprised of scrap airplane parts and stainless steel cabling, a testament to her prowess as one of LA's premier contemporary artists.